Did you hear about the Ebola epidemic in West Africa? I read in the New Yorker that Fujifilm has developed a drug that might treat thousands of Ebola infected people. And we're talking about the same Fujifilm that has been widely known as a manufacturer of film and camera. Well, it turns out that Fujifilm realized that even though film was producing steady revenues, many of its customers would switch to digital photography and they would stop buying film eventually. So Fujifilm looked at other opportunities in high growth spaces, and particularly in healthcare. It actually makes a lot of sense. Fujifilm was already a cutting edge company with robust research and development activities. So they invested in their R&D asset to explore opportunities in healthcare. The first products that came out of this investment were supplements, vitamins, and even cosmetics. But the opportunity in healthcare was growing while film was declining. Fujifilm then acquired a pharmaceutical company to grow what it had started for its healthcare business. Well, Fujifilm didn't completely leave the photography space, but they reduced their reliance on this sector because they knew the business model was going to expire otherwise. I checked Fujifilm's annual report for 2014, and I found out that revenues from photography are only estimated at 15% of total revenues. So the way Fujifilm proactively adapted its business model before it expired and the way they build new growth engines based on existing resources is really what saved them from having their own Kodak moment.